Hi everyone, what's going on? Now, as far as making money from online is concerned, I've made lots of videos explaining to you how to make money from online, and so far I've been receiving positive comments. But in this video, I'm going to tackle one of the most recent and the most common questions people are asking. Okay, now for those of you who don't know, there is this new technology that is currently online, and most of you have heard about it, called the AI, that is the artificial intelligence. Now, most people have been reaching me asking me how they can take advantage of this artificial intelligence, otherwise called the AI. Okay, people asking me how they can take advantage of these AIs to earn money from online. Now, when this question came, okay, I went on my computer and started doing some research. Okay, now I've been able to discover some tricks you can use to earn money from online using AIs. Okay, now one of the most common AI technology you're aware of is what? The ChatGPT. So those of you don't know, before ChatGPT was not available worldwide, but right now it is available worldwide for free. Okay, and you're going to learn how you can earn money from an AI technology like ChatGPT. Okay, and I'm going to show you a secret you're going to use to earn as much as $100 in any one time. What does it mean? This simply means you can take part in some activities from online and you're going to earn as much as $100. Okay, so that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. So just in case you're interested in earning up to $100 from AI technologies like ChatGPT in any one time, I need to watch this video till the very end. Okay,
so guys, on this channel we share a whole lot of opportunities to earn money from online. Okay, we share opportunities that could earn you as much as 158 to over 500 USDT from online as a side hustle. All right, we equally share first-hand information on what is happening on the crypto industry. Okay, now just in case you want to earn money from side hustle, kindly hover over our channel and watch our videos. All right, these videos are going to earn you some good amount of money from online. Okay, and just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, they're gonna come right on your inbox. Okay,
all right, so welcome back. Now at this point of the video, we're gonna see how we can use the ChatGPT or whatever AI technology you are aware of to earn money from online. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can earn as much as $100 in any one time. This simply means you can earn up to $100 for interacting with the ChatGPT in any one time. Okay, this simply means you're going to use the AI technology at any point in time and earn up to $100. Now that's what we're going to be looking at in this part of the video. Okay, now how many of you are aware of what AI technologies can be able to do? Are you aware of what AI technology can do? Now what you have to know is AI technologies can do every single thing which you can demand from online. Okay, for those of you who don't know, AI technologies can design images, they can design videos, they can generate text, they can help you in applications, they can do a whole lot. Okay, now we're going to target designing of images. Now I need to know that companies out there are paying hundreds to thousands of dollars to get images designed for them. Companies are out there paying hundreds to thousands of dollars to get logos designed for them. Okay, now these companies are not aware of how you can customize the ChatGPT or whatever AI technology you're aware of. You can customize this technology in order to what? To design logos. These companies are not aware. Okay, this simply means that if you're able to use ChatGPT or whatever AI technology you're aware of to design a logo, you're gonna earn the money they are supposed to pay designers, or the money they are supposed to pay other people to get these logos designed. Now you can see clearly that with the AI technology you don't have any skill in order to design whatever image, but you are earning up to $100. How is it possible? Now there is a website out there called the Fiverr. It's unclear whether you all know about this, but I need you to do one thing. Go over to Fiverr, create an account, and start a graphic design journey. You don't need any training for this. Okay, go over to Fiverr, create an account. Okay, you start a graphic design profile or journey. Okay, as we can say it. Now once you have been able to come up with a profile, many companies will be reaching out to you. Guys, this is paying. Many companies will be reaching out to you to get to design to design images for them, to design logos for them, to design magazines for them. Okay. Now, what you have to do when these companies reach out to you and send you their requirements, they'll be willing to pay you hundreds to thousands of dollars. $100, I think, is the minimum. Now, when they send you their requirements, what you have to do, you have to go over to ChatGPT and use it for absolutely free or whatever AI technology you're aware of. Okay, just copy the description of their logo. Okay, ask them their color, what color they want, if they want red, black, whatever way they want it. Just copy all those descriptions, whatever they're asking. They need the logo to have, bows. They need the logo to have, cheetah. They need the logo to have houses. Whatever business they are doing, just put that idea on the ChatGPT prompt. Tell them, hey, I need a logo design, this color, this kind of size, without background, no background. State all these things to ChatGPT and click enter. ChatGPT is going to do the magic for you guys. You don't need any training or paid training in order to do this. You type this to ChatGPT is going to generate it automatically and send it to you directly. Okay. Now, once ChatGPT sends it to you, if you have any error or if you have any problem with these images, you can tell ChatGPT, okay, you text ChatGPT or text whatever AI you're using, tell them, please put this in this form, and they cannot do it and send it to you. Okay. Now, for some AI technologies, you're gonna be able to use it for free, and you're gonna be able to, be able to generate images for free, even though there are limited number of images per day. But I need to know that you have to utilize it as they explain to you. Okay, you have to utilize it as if you're using a free version or you're using paid version, you have to utilize it in that same way. Now, when you get these logos or whatever you've designed and you've seen that it's good, send it to this company. They're gonna appreciate your work, whereas you didn't do anything, right? You send this to ChatGPT and he did the work for you, but you're gonna get money. So that is the sense you are using in order to earn money from these current AI technologies. Okay, I'm going to share more updates as far as this is concerned. You're going to also be seeing some screenshots of what I'm explaining on this video. Okay, now more videos are going to pop middle after this of different ideas you can use to earn money from online. Okay, all right, so bye for now.